using index. I'm just going to click in cell C18. So the index function is used to look up values according to a specific row and a specific column location. So the function requires the location of the lookup table. So that will be, in this case, equipment item number 5, and the row. So in this case, rate type 1. So this is especially useful for two-dimensional tables where you want to look up values to be visible. So for example, you may want alternative prices to be visible with your price calendar. So when we click in cell C7, we want to find the hire per day. So this will take you to a lookup table the lookup table being, if I highlight the lookup table, you can see it's called rate list. So I'm just going to type in equals index. So index returns a value or reference of a cell at the intersection of a particular row and column in a given range. I'm just going to put on my tab. So the first thing I need to do is my table. So my table has been named rate list. So I need to look inside my rate list. So then it's saying, okay, what row number are you going to look for? So basically there's my array. So I'm going to look for my equipment item number. So there's 5. Next I'm going to look for my column C15. So I want to look for the 5th row in the first column and return the actual price. So when I do my control and enter, it gives me 75. So I'm looking for the 5th row. So it's got my table array. The first thing it'll do is count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it wants to take it from the first column, which is my rate type. So it returns 75. Now, the result will vary depending on which figures appear in cell C14 and C15. So if I change those figures, so I'm just going to say, I'm going to put in number 4 in the equipment item number, you can see it returns 60. So then if I put in 3 in the rate type, it returns 66. So let's just check that. 1, 2, 3, 4 across 3 columns, 1, 2, 3, to return the actual value of $66. So the function's looked up the figure for the equipment type for the rate and has returned that value. So in my total hire, all I need to do here is say, okay, equals C16 multiplied by C18. So I'm taking the number of days and I'm multiplying them by the hire amount per day. So I do my control and enter. The value returned is that for the equipment item type 4 with the given rate of the rate type, which is 3.